Hi, I'm Mark with Proline Range Hoods, and 12 years ago we made the world's first dedicated barbecue range hood. A range hood specifically designed for outdoor cooking, barbecuing, and grilling. And today I'm proud to introduce to you the latest in our outdoor hood lineup, our 72-inch BBQ Ultra. Now this model comes in 42, 48, 60-inch, and 72 inches wide. And as the outdoor cooking has become so much more popular, the grill sizes become much bigger. People are adding on side components. We've been asked to make larger hoods. So not only have we completely redesigned this hood for 2024 and 2025 with a new capture area, we have much larger sizes. Now this model, like our other models, have sealed controls, sealed LED lights. So no air can pass up through the LED light. In this model, there are 5 LED lights on the front, and you can dim them all the way down. You can adjust the light to your preference. With the 36-inch depth, this range hood can be mounted at really any height to accommodate your cooking style. We have an oversized capture area, and the key to outdoor cooking is the capture area and efficiently capturing that smoke and grease that comes off your barbecue. So in this case, we got the Traeger, we're smoking some ribs. So as we come over here, if I were wanting to cook on this, I have plenty of room here to marinate, put sauces on. I still have a good depth from the wall. You can see right here. And even though we're not completely covered, we're still drawing that air up into the hood. The ideal situation is we'd remove this and these would be mounted together on a countertop, but we have both of these in our warehouse. So if you've watched any of our videos on our outdoor hood models, you know that they've been completely redesigned for 2024 and 2025. One of the things we did is we elevated this section right here. We slimmed this down so we have a nice slim profile, so we get good, even airflow and drafting through this whole area. The capture area is the most efficient capture area that we can achieve with a 36-inch deep profile. Now in this configuration, you have 2,000 CFM motors. One sits about right here, the other one sits about right here, and we have a center divider between those so that I can turn this one to a higher speed, maybe check on this, and you can see that even though we're not completely covered over here, we're still a little out past the edge, we still get a good draft from the air coming in. So now the range hood is performing at its full capacity, 2,000 CFM. We're away from the wall about 6 to 8 inches. We still have a nice draft right here. We have great capture area and great coverage all the way out to here. So as with all of our Proline models, all stainless steel baffle filters, heavy duty, easy to clean, easy to maintain, simple maintenance. The motors, easy to clean, easy to maintain. The controls, the lights, the whole control panel is sealed, so it's easy to clean. You're not drafting smoke and grease up through your controls and your lighting module. So as you're planning your outdoor cooking area, think about ventilation, think about Proline Range Hoods. We give you everything you need for the best cooking experience with the best capture area, the thickest stainless steel, easy to clean, easy to maintain, years of trouble-free service.